I'm really convinced that this whole narrative that, programming is going away is totally wrong.
I
It's that
agree.
programming is radically changing, but we have this new kind of productivity, and some of this just comes from, being in the industry long enough. When I started programming, the first stuff I did was assembly. It was
Yeah.
literally, move this data from this data acquisition port into this register, you know, and then move this other data in here and multiply them, and it's
Right.
like it was super low level shit, and nobody does that anymore,
Right. So it's
and I
been
kind of feel
abstracted.
like we're gonna look back on the days when people wrote the kind of code that we wrote, a few years ago and go, yeah, we don't write, compilers write assembler. We don't,
Yes.
or
But
they write,
but the
machine code, but we still
it,
have to figure out what we want to do and how to do it. And we're packaging up our expertise and our thinking in new ways.
yeah, it's almost understanding data structures and processes. It's interesting because it's computer science related, but I feel like it's similar to an analogy where a carpenter switches from a handsaw to a sawzall. Like you still need to know which pipes you're cutting and like what and how a house works, like and why you would build a house here versus there. Like, but it's just that the tooling has been abstracted up and you can just work way faster. I do think though we're seeing people make a lot of mistakes with what I would the whole sort of bucket is AI slop. It's like companies that are AI slop, content that's AI slop, processes that are AI slop. Because you can't abstract that.